You are going to love the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.